Welcome back, fellow YouTubers, fellow medicators, fellow subscribers, fellow YouTubers. We got another package. This package is from TWEEDLE Farms. It's pretty small. Basically what I did was I cut the tape on this so that we don't have to do it on camera. Other than that, I haven't taken anything out. I mean, I know what's in it, but I didn't take anything out. So let's start with cool little stickers. Little stickers are always nice. Always nice. Represent. Then we got the legal logistics paperwork here. Got a t-shirt. Look at this. Oh, this is just too good. Oh my lord, it's got a pocket. Oh my god. Oh yeah, look at that. That is too cool. Here's the front. It's got an awesome pocket. Here's the back. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. What size is this sucker? Says extra large. Alright, so that'll fit me pretty nicely, being that I'm into my shirts being baggy. I like it. It's nice and heavy. It's almost wintry. Feel like Camagon.
Yeah.
T-shirts unite. Custom ink.
It's nice.
Design. Yeah, this is really heavy. It's a really nice shirt. I like it. Thank you guys from TWEEDLE Farms. I appreciate it. And then the page on the reason why I placed this order. The whole deal. Right here. Pine berry, 1 gram of pine berry. Turn around here so you can see it. 1 gram. Gosh. There we go. 1 gram of pine berry. So, this thing cut. Not really. That's kind of dull, crappy. We're not going to open it. We're not going to sniff it. This is just an unboxing. But to unbox it, we got to take it out. There it is. Pine berry, 1 gram. I'm going to do a review on this weekend. Today is Friday, in case you're wondering when this video came out. But it's really early in the morning. Actually, late Friday night. But there it is. There's a package from TWEEDLE Farms, guys. There's going to be some better stuff next week. I got some stuff coming from a couple of other different places, and the one I can't wait for the most, I can't wait for you guys to see it, is from Steven's Goods. I got them on the phone, got a hold of them. Got to talk with them, and it sounds like their products are something I'm into. So I placed an order with them, and should be here in the next day or two. So keep your eyes open for pictures in the Facebook group. To join our Facebook group, all you got to do is send me a friend request at Blair Howell, BLAIR HOWELL, Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Drop me a message stating that you're one of my YouTube subscribers, and then I'll friend you, and then I'll send you an invitation if you want one to our Facebook group. We put a lot of pictures in there, descriptions of things, collaborations, trades, sales, anything you're selling, pipes, water pipes, anything. If you guys want to swap, barter, trade, sell, just post pictures of it, let people know what you want to do. Products, too. If you get products in your area and people can't get them somewhere else, feel free to swap products with each other. or whatever, the Facebook group, there's only 2 rules. 1, be good to one another, man. Be good to one another. And 2, educate. Educate one another. That's it. There's only 2 rules. Other than that, there are no rules. Rule number 3, there are no other rules. So, like, subscribe, comment, bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, ding the bell. Get into the contest. Oh my god, contest. We only got like 46 more subscribers to go, and I can put another ton of stuff in the box. Wait till you guys see it. It's going to be awesome. Promise you, you will not be disappointed. So get your friends, get your family, get your family's friends, and your friends' family. Then we're going down to DM Blair's channel and hit that fucking button. Boom! Become another subscriber so we can get this stretch goal, I like to call it, the stretch goal opened up and show you guys what's there so you guys can work your way to the next one. So until next time, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for supporting. I appreciate it.